Hello everybody and welcome to Mr. Stansfield's education videos. Today we're going to take a look at how to do a very specific kind of edit in PhotoPea. This is when you've got a landscape photo or a photo with a sky that looks like this photo here. When you have a blue sky with white clouds like so, either of these photos, one of the things that traditional black and white landscape photographers like Ansel Adams would often do is put a red filter over the front of their lens before they took their picture. And when you're shooting on black and white film, what happens is the blue sky gets very dark and the clouds stand out. So to mimic that kind of style of landscape photo when you're converting to black and white, you can use the adjustments here in PhotoPea. And if you click on the black and white adjustment, you can see that there's all of these red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and magenta, 6 color channels that you can actually adjust. And if you want your sky to be a little bit darker, what you can do is take that cyan channel and bring it down, and take that blue channel and bring it down. And so you get this deeper, darker black, dark kind of gray in the sky that increases the contrast a little bit. So you can click OK there. And then just to look at a different photo that has a similar kind of sky, we could do it here. Adjustments, black and white, and we'll do the same thing. We'll bring that cyan and blue down a little bit. Now, what happens when you do this? And let me bring it way, way down here. You find this sort of, yeah, see, if you make these adjustments here in the black and white, you can kind of see, and let's zoom in a little bit. You can see where the pixelation happens, right? Where the transition doesn't work perfectly. And so, you know, this is an imperfect, let's reset that and then zoom out a little bit. This is an imperfect kind of thing, but it is one way to do it. Now you could also adjust your contrast. So let's reset it. Let's just click OK here. We'll do the default black and white. And then what you could do is image adjustments, you know, brightness, contrast, and just increase the contrast. Bring that contrast up and maybe the brightness down a little bit. And it does actually do a little bit of a better job of reducing the pixelation in the sky. But the foreground now is a little bit too dark. So I think a combination of both of these, right? If I'm going to do this adjustment here, I might go back on this particular picture and I would do a black and white conversion, and I would do some of this cyan blue adjustment, right? Bring that down just a little bit so that the contrast of the sky is increased. Then I might increase the contrast and brightness. I'm sorry, adjust the contrast and brightness by increasing the contrast, maybe decreasing the brightness a little bit, something like this, right? To really try to get that contrast in the sky. But I did want to just point out the ways that a black and white conversion will affect the way that the colors look in the picture.